friends, let's do the unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. It was recently released. Let's do. Let's see what's inside. It's a very beautiful color, very different from the other colors available in the market. A little bit heavier than the other variants, like iPhone 10 if you compare with the iPhone 10, but it's very nice in your hands. And what's inside? It's the pin to take out the SIM, charging cable. That's all. Might be something inside. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. Goodbye.